alam mo, the system or the people, pagka malisyoso, pagka masyadong vicious, madaling i-monetize ang food stamp. Pwede nilang pagbilihan, ano? So that they will be able to get the money that they wanted. Hindi problema yung ililimit lang sa pagkain. Kasi yun daw ang problema eh. Kasi people were saying na pinangsusugal, pinambibiling sigarilyo, pinambibiling alak. Pero we've done surveys before that the consumption behavior of the people, basically in the hierarchy of their needs, no, unang bibilhin nila ay pagkain. Meron din talagang mga deviant behavior ang mga tao na meron mabibili ng sigarilyo, ng alak o ipangsusugal, pero katiting lang yon, wala pang 1% ang gumagawa ng mga ganong deviant behavior. So ang nature ng tao, ang pinakauna nilang bibilin ay pagkain. So they were saying, di bakit hindi natin gawing food stamp para pagkain lang ang ano nila? That shouldn't make any difference. I think monetizing it, you know, and kung pwedeng gawin nila na mas malaki ang 4Ps, kasi yung purchasing power ng mga tao ang mahalaga na masuportahan in an economy that is being supported basically by household consumption. You have to make sure that the purchasing power of the people will be protected. Yan ang ating the number one dapat na concern. Ngayon, sabihin natin pagkain, okay naman din yun eh. Pagkain naman talaga ang bibilhin nila. Pero parang additional layer in the system that can be monetized anyway. If you don't want them to buy anything else, pagbibili nila yung kanilang food stamp. O kaya sasabihin nila, hindi, kailangan may requirement, kailangan may ganito, kailangan may pre-screening.
Yeah, based on what we're seeing here in the video, Gab, if you guys can just play that video again, may makikita kang merong parang swipe, parang merong machine, may card, siniswipe. Doon nga lang sa mga regular stores in malls, some outlets will tell you, sorry, our credit card reader is not functioning. Ito, yan, makikita ninyo yan, there is a system. Do you think that makes sense?
No, sa tingin ko, it's just additional cost. It's an added cost to a system na basically ang purpose is to provide food. Providing food, the best way is to give them money. And then watch out for deviant consumer behavior na kung ano-anong gagawin nila doon, ano bibilhin nila. Pero in a market economy, at saka yung if we understand the consumption behavior of people, number one, hierarchy of needs, bibili sila ng pagkain.
Okay.
Converting the money into food stamps is an additional cost that will not issue that.